and welcome to my review of Playon. Playon is software that allows you to record TV shows and movies from streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Instant Video. Some of the features are listed here. You can record anything, you can stream to any device, there's mobile control, you can skip the ads with the commercial skip feature. You can subscribe to a specific show or series. You can record a series, schedule recording hours, send to iTunes, and supposedly world-class support. I purchased about 8 months ago a lifetime license. At the time, it was regular Play On and then Play Later, and Play Later was a feature that allowed you to record. Since that's what I was 100% interested in, I got that. I believe I paid $59.99. And since then, it's gone on sale for $35, $39. So I would be on the lookout, especially around Black Friday, for sales. So what do? Go to playon.tv and then you go to download. The download is free. There are a few features from Playon that are free, but for me, since I want to record, I would be getting they call it Playon Plus now. When I purchased it, it was Play Later. So you would go to download page, and then after you download the software, you install it, and it's downloading it now for me, but I already have it installed, and you would get a screen for settings. I've already manually configured my settings, so I'm just going to show you the GUI, the interface for the app. Now the landing page, I feel the landing page is attractive. They have the first level popular on Hulu, second popular on Netflix. I'm using my touchscreen. I usually use my keyboard, so it's a little slow. Then it has top shows and top channels, okay? When I go to the channels, I have put in the order that I like, my most important apps. Playon Picks is there, Netflix, Hulu, Yahoo View, which is now Hulu's like free segment, Amazon Instant Video, and Xfinity, and then also the secondary cable apps like AMC, TCM, HBO, Showtime, etc. Vudu as well. Now you're able to load apps from other third parties that Playon can officially endorse because they exist in a legal gray area, and those are places that they're streaming their content, their recorded shows. Like if you want to watch The Walking Dead, you can see it the next day. That allows you to see all the shows that you want, anything that you can imagine that it's in theaters even, and that's not a legal gray area, that is illegal. But they have all that available through these apps that you wouldn't necessarily see in their channel store. Okay, so what happens is originally when you're setting it up, you get the settings menu. Okay, so in general, I set mine to video performance on the general tab, maximum video quality HD. I chose my location. So you start and stop the server here. You go to channels, and it lists all of the channels here that I have shown you on the channels page. But I'm not going to show you that because it has my email address, and I don't want to have to go back in and blur that out. So for it basically allows you to input all your login information, to test that information to make sure that it's accurate, and then apply that, and you'll never have to do that again. You'll just be able to click on your channels through the interface, and that's that. It has browser integration. That's one of the things I like. I believe they call it Playmark. And within the browser, if you're on any web page that has video, you can click on your Playmark icon, and it will search for the video, gather it, and record it. So this is available in Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Opera. I don't have Opera installed, but it's a great feature. So also the plugins, apps that you might want to install, you can find them. What you do is you download them to desktop, and then it will ask you to install here. So that's the setup feature. I'll show you some of the channels that they are advertising in their channel store, and then I'll show you how I how you can search and record. These are some of the channels, I don't have everything. I only installed the channels that I was interested in. Here are some of the ones that are available. Again, they're not going to showcase legal gray areas or unethical channels here. You would have to search for those as well. So I'll show you that I have just recorded the first season of Stranger Things through my. I'll give you an example of the recording ability. Now I have a relatively powerful laptop, Toshiba Radius satellite. You have the ability to record and then watch something as well. It records in real time. So if it's a 48-minute show, it's going to take you 48 minutes to record it. Sometimes I found, which is a glitch, that it states that it's fully recorded and it'll record the first 27 minutes, first 30 minutes, and you think your life is, being really lived to the fullest, and then you figure out, no, you're being shortchanged because I got into Perot. I like whodunits. I like British comedy, sci-fi. I have a varied palette, but typically when I'm watching something, I need to see the end of it. No matter what I'm watching, I need to see the end of that. So you might need to, just go and check to make sure that you have the full recording. So it's recording MacGyver there, episode 2, season 1. Okay, while it's recording that, it takes a while, and my computer, like I said, I have an i7 quad core. I have a solid state drive. I have enough RAM to where this should not be an issue. And yet, you see? Okay. It's doing a little bit better now.
Presented by The Exorcist on
Okay,
Fox.
this is Hulu. Remember, you're going to get the commercial.
I want you to help this
But, okay, it did a little bit better. It loaded more slowly earlier. So this is pretty much Playon. And overall, I would give it like a B minus, specifically for the tree levels, the amount of tree levels, the amount of click-throughs, and also the GUIs, the lack of, I feel, professional quality GUIs for 2016.